First, go to www.python.org and this website will open. Then go to Downloads and select your system. In my case, it's Windows. And now select your way of installing the program. I'm going to use the 64-bit Windows executable installer. Now the installer is downloading. It'll take a moment. Now we can launch it. And if you're installing on Windows, make sure to check the option Add Python 3.7 to Path. Click Install Now. And now just wait. Okay, setup was successful. It took just a moment, and now let's close the window. To make sure that your Python was installed correctly, go to your command prompt and type Python. Now you can see the version of Python that was installed. And now we are in the Python interactive mode. So we can try and type something like, for example, print hello. Fine. Seems to work. When we are done with that, we can exit the Python shell with the exit method. And now Python is installed. Everything works fine. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.